Is WhatsApp taking up too much storage space on your mobile device? Hello everyone, I am Hare Ram from the Things to Learn, and in this video I will be showing you how to clear WhatsApp storage space. Now let's get started. To begin, open WhatsApp on your mobile device and then tap three dots on the top right corner. Then tap settings. After that select storage and data. Then tap manage storage. From there you will find a menu that breaks down how much storage space your WhatsApp data is using and which specific media items and chats are taking up the most space. On the review and delete items, tap under the chat at items, tap the files larger than 2. In this case my file is larger than only 2 megabytes, so I type this and go through this list and review which ones you want to keep and which ones you want to delete. To select several times to erase, tap select in the top right corner, and then each item you did like to delete. You can also tap select all at the bottom if you want to remove everything. When you are done selecting items, tap the trace icon in the bottom right corner, uh, top right corner, and then tap delete items to confirm. Once that's done, you will see the bar at the top of the page. So uh, as you see the top of the bar of the page, see the bar and show the new reduced amount of storage used your WhatsApp data. That's all it's take to clear up your WhatsApp storage space. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we did love it if you did hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day. Thank you.